Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL 5. In this video I'll show you how to activate and manage adaptive cruise control. In the beginning, fasten your seatbelt, start the car, and now press car button on the left side of the steering wheel. Now start driving and set the cruise control by twisting this button downwards. Now, if you want to increase or decrease distance from the following car, press minus button or plus button. Plus to increase, minus to decrease. To stop adaptive cruise control, simply press brake. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.